In this video, I talked to Michael Hartman, who is the speaker of PPC Congress, which is happening in Amsterdam, October 3rd and 4th, 2019. It's an event designed for Amazon advertising experts. So we are expecting three types of attendees, which are Amazon advertising agencies, Amazon sellers interested in improving their PPC strategies, as well as Amazon PPC softwares, which are helping to automate advertising work on Amazon. So in this video, I'm talking to Michael Hartman. Michael, can you tell a little bit your story? I know that you are very well respected as an expert of especially advertising and maybe other things in Amazon. I know you have a very successful Amazon business, but people, I think, don't see you. They are meeting you just in the private circles. So can you just tell what's your Amazon-related background and what do you do here?
Gotcha. So I originally started with Amazon in 2014. I was known as the guy who could open any account on Amazon, however many accounts you needed. I met a lot of different sellers this way, and I got started doing advertising for Amazon then because I also owned an advertising agency, a Google, Facebook, traditional digital marketing. And from there, I was helping people not only open their businesses, but I was helping them with their advertising on Amazon, sponsored products back then. I mean, that was it. And then a couple people at AMS. And jammed up from there. During that time, I launched my own Amazon businesses and Shopify businesses, and those really, really took off. I used the agency at the time for cash flow in order to sustain my Amazon businesses and to be able to launch them, order inventory, to grow it, and use my own team, who was basically getting paid for by other people to grow up. The last month of the agency, let's say that I had some difference of opinions with partners. We did $150,000 in revenue that I was there. I mean, since then the agency's kind of like dissolved out. It's gone away, but it was we did 150K.
That sounds amazing, and this is what you will be sharing during the PPC Congress, right? You will be talking to the agencies and giving your tips and I know secrets. How did you manage to scale your agencies, right?
Yeah, so I'll be going over how we scaled and how I had basically zero acquisition costs per new client. I'll share the tips and tricks that I used to get new clients and then how I leveraged my clients to get more and more clients.
Can you share some tips here? Something small tip or small secret which people can have as a taste? I don't know. How do your clients pay high ticket price or they are like
hybrid method?
Okay.
So you always, depending on the client. So what I would often do is I would go out to Amazon influencers and I would offer to do their advertising for free if they would promote my services to their circles. So you would find the leaders of different meetup groups for different cities, go do their advertising for free, and then have them promote your services. And they could actually say, he does my PPC. This is the results I'm getting. It's amazing. So now you have all these people promoting your services from different meetups all over the world, and you're just raking in the clients. You're scaling faster than you can handle.
Wow, it's nice. Cool. And at the moment, do you run an agency or you focus solely on your Amazon business?
I only focus on my Amazon and my Shopify businesses currently.
And how well are they doing? Where do you sell, in which markets?
US market only. Shopify, 7 figures a year, solid. Hope to hit 8 figures this year. Amazon, mid-7 to maybe we'll hit 8 figures this year. If not this year, next year. So, and that's it for the 2 main accounts. And I have several like smaller accounts.
And you travel a lot to different events. Sometimes I talk to you and you are like in Czech Republic. I remember you came to my conference, then you were in Romania in some mastermind, and you were telling me before this call that you're going to China and the masterminds in US. So why do you do all this? You're already kind of successful.
At some point it becomes the network. The people who made a lot of money early on and didn't continue to improve their listings and their marketing and their technologies, they stopped making money. They went down. The people who continue to improve their network improve their marketing strategies are the people who are like killing it now. And so you have to continually improve, otherwise you're going to fall behind the time. And you'll see certain things online, but you'll find out a lot more in person from my experience. And so this is why I travel. I help people, they help me.
And usually you are based in which country?
In Romania.
Romania. Okay. Do you like it there?
I'm living the Eastern European dream, I tell everyone. Sometimes it's a nightmare with the bureaucracy, but other than that, it's good. We have 1% tax on the first million, so it's good.
Cool. All right. So yeah, we are happy to see you in PPC Congress. People will be able to meet you in person, and maybe after your presentation, they will agencies will come and will be dragging you all the evening and night to get your secrets. And thank you very much, and good luck in your business. Bye bye. As always, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to Orange Klik YouTube channel and click the notification bell as well. And here you will get videos where we talk to different Amazon seller service providers, Amazon experts, Amazon softwares, which are creating solutions and solving problems for Amazon sellers, as well as we talk to organizers of different meetups, events, and conferences for Amazon sellers. So don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.